Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make job blocks in Minecraft. Job blocks are essential for giving your villagers a purpose and unlocking valuable trades. These special blocks allow unemployed villagers to claim a profession, transforming them into useful members of your in-game community. We'll cover the crafting recipes for several important job blocks, helping you set up an efficient villager trading system. Get ready to empower your villagers. Let's begin with some fundamental job blocks. To craft a composter, arrange 7 wood slabs in a U-shape on your crafting table. For a barrel, you'll need 6 wood planks and 2 wood slabs. If you want a smoker, combine 4 wood logs with 1 furnace. And for a powerful blast furnace, use 5 iron ingots, 1 furnace, and 3 smooth stone. These are excellent starting points for your villager professions. Now, let's explore some more specialized job blocks. A lectern, perfect for librarians, requires 4 wood slabs and 1 bookshelf. To make a stone cutter, which is great for masons, you'll need 3 stone blocks and 1 iron ingot. For a cartography table, useful for cartographers, combine 2 pieces of paper with 4 wood planks. Finally, a fletching table, for fletchers, is crafted with 4 wood planks and 2 flint. Once you've crafted your job blocks, it's time to put them to use. Simply place the block near an unemployed villager. They will usually claim the profession if they have a bed nearby. If you want to change a villager's job, just break their current job block and replace it with a new one. Remember, consistent trading helps level up your villagers, unlocking even better offers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.